Today we are going to check out the top 5 best angle grinders available on the market. We made this list quality price, user experience, testing and based on customer reviews. If you want to see more information on the updated price on the products, make sure to check the product links down below in the description box. So let's get started.
Number 1. DEWALT Angle Grinder. DEWALT DCG413B is an excellent choice for performing most of your home landscaping or DIY tasks. It also lies among the top-rated ones and the best price model of DEWALT cordless angle grinders for several reasons. First, this DCG413B grinder runs on a brushless motor, which is 57% more powerful, requires less energy, and produces less heating and noise than a brush motor. You can use this portable grinder for cutting tiles of different sizes or other rigid materials with ease. Second, this 20-volt grinder has some improvements in features than the previous model District of Columbia 411B18V. It has a higher rotation speed of 6,800 RPM while the DC411B is only 6,500 RPM, allowing it to cut or grind more rigid materials. When there is a power outage or unplanned shutdown, the E-switch protection will be activated to protect you from accidental starting. To restart the tool, you will have to trigger the switch. Number 2. Porter Cable Angle Grinder. It's the go-to tool if you want a decent grinder that still performs quite well at a lower cost. The Porter Cable PCC761B is equipped with a powerful motor capable of putting out 8,500 RPM. While such a speed rating does put it in the same ballpark as the Milwaukee 2780/20 above, it doesn't have as much torque and might bite a little more when trying to cut thicker metal plates. However, when it comes to grinding, it will do just fine. Wheel replacement is carried out easily via a spindle lock, and internals are evenly balanced for a comfortable feel that won't put too much strain on your wrist while working. Meanwhile, the handle can be set in 3 different positions for better grip no matter the kind of work you intend to tackle. The handle guard preventing you from hitting your hands when the grinder bites in and kicks. However, it's important to mention that the casing is not as sturdy as others, and given the much cheaper price tag, you can't expect it to last as long. That being said, if you only use your angle grinder every once in a while, the Porter Cable PCC761B 20 volts max angle grinder will do the job just fine. Number 3. BOSCH Angle Grinder. Every homeowner should own a portable angle grinder like BOSCH GWS 10.8 volts to handle all fixing jobs. It weighs only 1.12 pounds, making it one of the lightest battery-powered angle grinders on the market. Its lightweight also allows you to operate it with one hand while reducing hand and wrist fatigues, the main reason that leads to serious injuries. This grinder has a compact sizing of 17.48 by 14.06 x 4.76 inches, which only takes up a small space in your home garage or farm vehicle. Another notable point of this BOSCH angle grinder is its remarkable rotating speed of 19,500 RPM, which is eligible for cutting or grinding hard materials like steel or concrete. Swapping grinding blades can be done in a blink without tools, thanks to its innovative spindle lock. As stated by the manufacturer, you should only use this tool for light-duty tasks due to its limited voltage of 10.8 volts and its small grinding disc size of 3 inches. Once again, this is a tool-only item. So, you need to spend extra money on a battery. Number 4. CRAFTSMAN Angle Grinder. If you are looking for the best price to performance ratio, the CRAFTSMAN V20 cordless angle grinder is what you need. The high-powered motor can put out up to 8,500 RPMs, which is somewhat standard in the industry. Similar to the models above, a spindle lock enables you to change discs with ease, and the handle can be adjusted in 3 different positions. Even the guard is adjustable depending on the task at hand. Weight-wise, it's not the lightest option on the market, and it is slightly longer than average. However, the molded handle and casing are designed to fit your natural hand position, eliminating strain when used for longer periods. In addition, the gear housing helps with heat dissipation over a longer runtime. With a much more affordable price tag and Craftsman's well-known reputation in the automotive tool segment, you simply can't go wrong with this one. Beginner auto mechanics just starting in the field often can't afford to buy the most expensive angle grinder on the market since they just spent all they had on a quality impact wrench. If this is your case and you still need an angle grinder that can get the job done, look no further. Number 5. SKIL AG290202 Angle Grinder. The SKIL AG290202 angle grinder features a 3-position slide handle for maximum adjustability and comfort while you work. The lock-on switch is handy, especially when doing a large job because you won't need to keep your finger on the trigger, while the soft start feature reduces the risk of jumping when starting the tool. A spindle lock makes it easy to change wheels, and tool-free guard adjustment makes it easy to protect yourself. The engine can reach up to 8,500 RPM under a light load. The PWR Core 20 lithium battery has an innovative temperature management system to keep the battery cool and powering on through your project.